Protect and grow clients' businesses with Optimum Desk platform, a flexible set of 14 MSP solutions. Optimum. Real-time remote monitoring to prevent IT system interruptions and ensure business continuity. Inventoree. Complete and accessible hardware asset management. Proactivitee. Customize real-time IT system monitoring attributes to prevent system issues and actions to take. Softsee. Complete and accessible software management with a focus on productivity. EaseeDesk. Automatically manages most of the end-user created tickets and solves them in a flash. EaseeTask. Connects your team so you can continue to collaborate, manage, and track work in one easy-to-use platform wherever you are. SaveEnergy. Plan and reduce costs by avoiding unnecessary energy consumption. Printeeng. Monitor and control the printing of documents and reduce print costs. Securitee. Secures confidential or sensitive data traffic and prevents leaks. Protectee. Prevents the risk of losing critical data from the company. Productivitee. Increases productivity by improving the work time of each employee. Optimum. Application management. Optimum provides real-time information about the operating system, mail client, browsers, and a virus, but also about the degree of usability of the device hardware. Significantly improve your computer client's status in a few clicks without disrupting them. Operating system management. Manage the operating system of managed devices by eliminating unnecessary startup apps, background processes, and unnecessary software updates. OS and application management. Control all apps in a managed device's interface. Install, update, uninstall, all in remote mode. Get detailed information about the installed operating system, Office, email client, default browser, antivirus, firewall, anti-spyware, OS available updates. Performance management. Smart monitoring and stop apps that are not useful, which consume computer resources, computer processor, RAM, and disk drives. Command prompt. The command prompt in Windows provides access to over 300 commands used to do certain operating system tasks from a command line interface. More benefits. Get more benefits with comprehensive information about the degree of usability of the hardware on the workstations. Tune-up. Improve the workstation's performance using dedicated tools. OS cleanup, registry optimize, power settings, tune-up and optimization, application and browsing cleanup, privacy setup, setup and protection. There are a variety of different frequent reasons that you may need to remotely silent install software on a remote computer, update or secure the OS. Events. Always know when an application is installed, uninstalled, updated, with or without permission. Also, you will be able to see a complete events history including errors. Inventoree, IT asset management. With Inventoree, you can monitor and optimize your hardware resource of the company and issue upgrade recommendations at the best value. With a simple and comprehensive interface, you can get a complete management of IT infrastructure, ensuring an efficient and modern inventory of equipment by applying QR codes to mobile units and fixed workstations or equipment. Monitor all the hardware in your company and you know what upgrade decisions to take. Perform a hardware inventory with device age information, CPU model, HDD data, RAM, and operating system. Reduce the investments in unnecessary upgrades as the life of equipment increases. All this information will help you to protect your hardware equipment, always know who, where, and how it exploits them, and also reducing the IT costs by improving the company's hardware resource and user productivity. Proactivitee. 30% fewer IT interruptions, increased employee productivity. Proactivitee offers predictability on the good running of devices in the company. When employee activity is not interrupted by system interruptions, their productivity and business growth increases, while support costs decrease. Proactive monitoring in just one-click device status access easy to use. Critical and major alarms, locations, antivirus, firewall status, CPU usage, memory usage, swap usage, and more features help to predict, prevent, and control the most possible issues. Proactive monitoring, getting alerts, and have more control on devices. Agent-based monitoring, hardware monitoring, active applications, SNMP monitoring, process load, and remote viewer are some of the features of proactive monitoring. Proactive alarms. It signals bad stations in order to optimize them, all of them in a simple and efficient user interface easy to use. SNMP dashboard provides complete and comprehensive insights into performance and availability and ensures the health of network. It supports a wide array of hardware, including wireless access points, routers, switches, gateways, scanners, printers, and IoT devices. More benefits: predictability for the state of IT equipment. Productivitee Events provides a complete tickets history of alarms notifications for all devices with detailed information about the nature of them. Softsee, Software Asset Management. Softsee is easy to implement, accessible, and easy to use. With Softsee, you know what apps are installed, licensed, not updated, who and how it is used. Real-time monitor and manage all licenses and software packages in the company. Periodically or daily updates of applications without interrupting user activity and increase productivity. Easy to identify all software changes, authorized and unauthorized, in order to eliminate the risk of unexpected audit visits. Prevent unnecessary costs with licenses, installation of unwanted software, and know which users are unproductive or identify applications that are used less or not at all. EaseeTask, IT Task Management. IT Task Management helps you to keep track of individual and team tasks and get them done faster. Keep tasks in one place and save time, avoiding losing work and information. Delegate and track tasks to stay on schedule and hit deadlines. Organize and supervise IT projects of medium and high complexity by coordinating tasks' progress when clients ask for IT support. Check and optimize the status of each task. See when it was created, started, and closed, and who is in charge to accomplish it. Improve collaboration. Share files, feedback, ideas, and more so teammates can tap into the same pool of knowledge whenever they need. SaveEnergy, Energy Saving Management. Energy saving management empowers the company to control everything, like which computers are on after work or the electricity consumed and so on. Monitors the device usage time, letting you know exactly your cost saving, daily cost, yearly savings, and the average money saved per device. Accurate reports about the consumption of energy in the organization. Check and control the activity of employees when they turn on or shut down the computer with smart hibernation function that is stopping all the devices that are turned on and not used. Manage and reduce how many devices are on SaveEnergy mode and control your electricity rate. Reduce electricity costs by 30%. Provides information about how much you saved in the last 30 days or in the last year for easy management of the energy savings. Printeeng, Printing Monitoring. Printing management helps the company see the types of documents that are getting printed, the printing frequency, cost per page, and more features. Generates and optimizes useful reports about the quantity of printing in order to customize costs and reduce investments in equipment, paper, and consumables. Simplifies and analyzes the management of printers by providing statistics regarding the entire printing activity. Manage and increase all actions of printing from a single network and supervising everything from one platform. Increased document security in the company, preventing certain files to be printed. limits the number of pages that are printed by an employee by setting page limits or costs. Securitee, data loss prevention and privacy. It prevents sensitive information from being stolen or lost and applies data management policies and also blocks the end users from sharing confidential information. Monitors sensitive consumer data without reading their content and protects against SSN or credit card data being compromised. Controls sensitive data exchanges to prevent the leakages of vital information, but also protects them against ransomware like CryptoLocker attacks. Real-time view of the files and the documents with specific pieces of information like the size and the type of them. Manage and view all the transferred files that were made by every device with useful information to prevent them from being compromised. Protectee, data protection and backup. The solution copies in archives important information from the company so that it can be recovered in case of accidental loss or corruption, damage of equipment, or infection with a virus. Reduce and save interruptions or even eliminate them while information about virtual or physical systems is secured and restored in the shortest possible time. Provide and protect constant copying of data to other media storage other than those working could be restored if the original ones are lost and destroyed. Events that you can see straight away with a few clicks that were made by the devices, or you can see all the settings that were changed. Immediately take action about a device that got stolen so you can block the user's log and then mark the device as stolen. Productivitee, application and user productivity monitoring. Productivitee is designed to help you monitor your employees' productivity by gaining complete transparency of their desktop activities. Administrators can sort applications into productive and unproductive app groups to break down productiveness across different teams, departments, or individual employees. With Productivitee, you can get a clear picture of how work gets done and remove wasteful practices and distracting environments. Analyze productive behaviors to establish a top-performing baseline and data insights to design teams for better business outcomes. Manage costs with better visibility of application usage, get visibility into how remote employees utilize their time, and resolve workflow bottlenecks and poor organizational structures. EaseeDesk, IT Service Management. We made it easier than ever for the end user to send tickets from everywhere and have them solved almost instantly by ITAM and top without human intervention or benefit of technician support if needed. Faster than ever process of creating a ticket through the app by email, chat, screen capture, and have your tickets fastly solved. Historic and reporting by accessing your ticket's historic and observing common IT system issues, we're able to provide you insights into how to reduce further issues and downtimes. Offers wide information about the health of the whole IT system, both hardware and software-wise, simplifying technicians' desks and workload. Hello, this is Emmanuel from Optimum Desk. If you're watching this video, I think I know something about you. Every managed service provider's customer support team encounters some days or rush hours where the amount of support tickets they receive becomes too much. If your team hasn't yet, it will in the future. And when that happens, you may not be able to resolve your tickets as fast as your customers would want. In a very competitive managed service provider market of constantly changing customer expectations and digital transformations, companies are now more interested in artificial intelligence and intelligent process automation solutions. On the other side, you may also want to give your company's success a boost by increasing your clients' number with the same amount of effort and with no extra money spent. Do you have customers with high-volume IT service tickets? Are you interested in reducing costs and a fast ticket-solving solution? Do you want a proactive customer support ticket solution? Are you ready to improve your customer support to the best user experience? Customer needs are now much more sophisticated and fast response demanding in solving tickets. ITAM has the ability to resolve tickets without human intervention, silently and unattended. It already knows how to protect you from future outages. So what is new to ATAM InTop? In a traditional process, the human operator receives a ticket and solves it. Nowadays, most of the easiest and repetitive tickets are solved by a robotic process automation, but it only performs automation within a predefined process. For example, update Chrome browser, virus threats, delete browser cache, install Zoom, and so on. Robotic process automation (RPA) tools are great, but they could be inefficient when a complex judgment is needed on how, what, and when to use certain information in certain contexts. For example, slow computer, data loss, computer crashed, and so on. Now, when complex tickets are received, ATAM InTop uses the Intelligent Process Automation (IPA), which uses sophisticated scripts that work beyond basic automation and leverage core AI capabilities to learn from its human supervisors about how to use information collected from previous tickets successfully solved. ATAM InTop AI capabilities. Smart workflows. ATAM InTop tracks the status of the end-to-end process in real time, manages handoffs between systems and people to provide statistical data on bottlenecks, and enhances process visibility to improve operation efficiency. Machine learning. Makes predictions based on data inputs and analytics and provides insights on recognized patterns. Natural language processing (NLP) interprets text-heavy communications and understands communications intent. Natural language generation (NLG) creates narratives from the collected data to present a better story for the data-driven decision-making. Cognitive agents, technologies that combine machine learning (NLG) and NLP to build a virtual workforce capable of executing more sophisticated tasks with intelligence, such as offering customer solution suggestions to human supervisors. With ATAM InTop, the AI capabilities unlock access to unstructured data using natural language processing (NLP) and helps MSP transform from rule-based to AI-based automation, empowering human supervisors in data-driven decision-making. How does ATAM InTop work? When an end user submits a support ticket, it flows into the Optimum Desk platform via email, phone, or endpoint agent interface, and for most of them, ATAM InTop will handle it. Each customer ticket contains more or less than 1,000 possible scripts about the problem or request, which is quickly reviewed by ATAM InTop and sent on its way. Once the correct assignment of ticket is recognized and categorized by ATAM InTop, it autonomously completes all the necessary tasks in order to solve the customer ticket. To demonstrate the capabilities of ATAM InTop, we're going to submit a ticket directly from the Optimum Desk agent. Let's say we are an employee that has a computer that is working really slow. We will request a ticket saying our computer is really slow. After we send the ticket, ATAM will take over in just a few seconds as it recognizes the issue from its predefined scripts. ATAM will run a set of commands that will make the computer faster. After the process is finished, we will be able to give feedback. All these system maintenances performed by ATAM InTop are operated in background processes without disturbing the end user working on the workstation. ATAM InTop is autonomous proactive, preventing possible discontinuities in normal functioning of systems. Based on a 24/7 monitoring activity regarding future bugs, viruses, and malware software updates, ATAM InTop can be set up to proactive autonomously protect and update systems before an outage can strike. The main benefits of ATAM InTop autonomous solving ticket system: capable to deal massive workload and data without human intervention, available 24/7 instantaneous, maximize service delivery KPIs and ROI, avoid human errors. Tickets are automatically categorized according to their importance and impact, and are solved faster than ever, almost instantly. Detects issues or potential risks on its own and recommends the best solutions to maximize the overall performance and stability. You can ask ATAM InTop's help by email, screenshots, or chat, and he is capable to deal huge amount of requests and tasks, improving visibly the efficiency. User-centric experience that helps you work smarter, greater flexibility, adaptability, and speed, and in the end increases the customer satisfaction. And we are not stopping here. ATAM InTop is advancing more every day, developed by our AI experts to drive MSPs on their road to offer autonomous service delivery for for the business success of their end customers. With that Up, you'll have an autonomous process that will automatically solve your customer tickets, and you'll no longer need to worry about managing pending large amount of tickets or solving them really fast. After watching this video, if you want to learn more about our solution, all you need to do is to schedule a live demo by clicking on the Schedule a Call button down in the page, and one of my colleagues will get in touch with you. We're looking forward to meeting you. Have a nice day.